Okay, this is William Heise County Park, and we're going on the hiking trail right now. So they got their little map right there, and here we go, walking into the woods, enjoying some nature. To see what we will see, what we will find.
Probably gonna find a snake.
Yeah, kind of a narrow trail, huh?
A cat.
Yeah, but plenty of trees. Oh, what is it? That was a cat.
There's a cat.
That was a cat. Is that a regular cat or a bobcat?
Elijah, the
Cat in a hat. Okay. This trail comes up to a little larger trail. It's a little narrow now. It's big. Okay, it's a cedar trail.
Oh, that is a
Here we go.
trail.
Cedar trail. Keter, seriously? Oh, steep downhill fall. What, there's a crack in the pavement. Oh, it's pretty steep.
It's steep, so we could die. Posted no trespassing, please keep out. Why?
Yeah, trees are pretty.
Every time I try to go down, it makes me run. Oh no, are we going into some trial? I feel like when trees meet, I feel like we're walking through trials.
Yeah, you're walking through a trial just like Roblox. You gotta find
It's not called Roblox, it's Roblox.
it's called Roblox.
No,
Oh, Roblox. Oh, I forgot.
it's not Roadblocks.
Roadblocks.
No, it's Roblox.
Oh, Roblox.
No, Roblox.
Roblox.
No, it's Roblox.
Okay, whatever. Same difference. See any snakes yet?
I thought this was a lake.
Oh, it dried up stream.
Oh,
See? So it can be dried up. See? Look, they even give you warnings about rattlesnake.
ooh. Wait, what is this?
What?